Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 636, Planning Programs for Adult Learners. I hope you are having a nice mini break from the course and/or spring break. As you know, we do not officially restart our class until Monday, March 18th. So this video is a little early, but I wanted to at least make it available to people and let you know what's entailed with this particular week. So before we get to Module 6, which encompasses week 10 and week number 11, I wanted to just show you one thing here. I'll switch screens and go to the assignments. Assignment 3 was due on March 10th, and as of now, there's 10 people, and I can tell you there's more people in the class than 10. So my plan is to start grading these tomorrow. For those that have submitted these early, I do apologize, but I like to grade them all together. I will be grading these tomorrow. So for those that have not submitted your assignment yet, which is assignment number 3, please do so. I'd like to, like I said, grade them all at once. So once again, we have 10 that have been submitted. And you know if you've submitted yours or not, and I'm still waiting on additional ones in the class. So let's get right back to the week 10 or Module 6. Module 6 encompasses 2 weeks, week 10 and week 11. Now, if you remember, in Module 5, we had week 7 and week 8. So you might be saying, what happened to week 9? For this course, I am counting spring break as week 9, so meaning there's no materials for week 9. So if you're looking for week 9, you will not find it. Week 9 was spring break. So Module 6, week 10, which starts on March 18th, which is Monday, week 11, March 25th. Now, if you haven't guessed and you're not looking at the calendar, we're making tremendous progress in the class. And, you know, as I've mentioned before, we're building on the weekly materials, the discussion forums specifically, and also building on developing our program, which is really the final assignment. Each one of our assignments are a component to the final assignment in your final program. Okay, the objectives. This week we're looking at really how do you examine the information documents that go into a program. And the primary focus of the module is on evaluation and Kirkpatrick's model. So there's all kinds of information going this week. Let me just show you what materials we have. Let me go back. We have the objectives for the week. Going to use our handy dandy forward buttons. We have reading and resources. This is where you're going to find the video. You're going to find the text. So thank you, Celeste. This is a great video. For those that are interested in the transcript, you can take a look. The video files, each one of those slides is in a video file, so you can take a look at that. Please read the textbook. This is chapter 10. Lots of materials this week. Go back, use the buttons, go forward. Overview on the evaluation. This gives a tremendous amount of about basically 2 primary approaches to evaluation, where you're summarizing or your formative evaluation. The formative means you're doing it in the future or you're doing it beforehand. And the other one, you're summarizing at the end. I'd say more evaluations are done at the end of workshops or programs than at the before. But there's reasons for doing one at the beginning too. And we'll get into information on that as we move forward with the week. Lots of information in here. I'm going to go back out. Learning resources. Go back to, and I'm doing this only so people can keep track of where we actually are for the week. Learning resources, let me just make sure, yep, everything is available here. Have an exploration, or we have some materials. Assignments. Okay, so we have the discussion assignment, which is due next Sunday. That's self-explanatory. That's down below. Discussion forum. You've been through this enough, so this is due next Sunday. If you can get your discussion initial post done by next week, that would be great. The assignments we have, assignment number 4 is due in 2 weeks. So I'll have more information on that coming up throughout the week and next week also. So here's information on assignment number 5, but once again, that's not due until module 7, which, as you know, we're in module 6, and there's 2 weeks in module 6, so you have time. Okay, that's a kind of a whirlwind view of what's coming up with the course. If you have any questions for me, any comments, any concerns, you want to meet with me in person, in Zoom, please let me know. I'm here to help, and I mean that sincerely. I am here to help. So a lot of materials this semester. And I did want to just show you one other thing, and this is real world. So as you can see on the screen, this is a program that I've been working on for probably 6 months with the planning committee. They've hired me. I am the lead facilitator and lead planner for this program. And as you can see from the screen, and I was just on a Zoom this morning finalizing who is going to do what and what we're going to be doing. You'll probably see this is actually a train the trainer. Basically, it's forest industry groups in Maine, all the way from Maine Audubon to state agencies are going to be attending this. And I just wanted to show you this because, first of all, you'll see, okay, we're all trainers now. What? Well, this is led by Kevin, and that's me, and these are the topics. We have a break. We have learning styles assessment. I'm going to be doing that. My name is like everywhere in here, and I was trying to get everybody else involved. But following the steps that we first of all, it started out where we did an evaluation. We put to an evaluation. Is there a need for this? And what kind of evaluation did we do? We followed the same steps that are being used in this particular course, in the Planning Programs for Adult Learner course. What you're seeing here is, as you move forward with the course, you probably will look at this and say, boy, this is simplistic. It is, but behind the scenes is all of the work that went into it. And including, we still have some work to be done that's going to be worked on by the committee between now and April 10th, when I lead this workshop, and it really has to do with the evaluation of the workshop. We haven't gotten to that yet. So I wanted to share this to show you real world. This is going on. This is what I work on beyond being a professor and teaching courses. I work with organizations, agencies in Maine and beyond the borders, and we follow the same steps that you guys are doing this semester. So it's good stuff, and it's real. So that's enough out of me. I hope you have a great week number 10, and welcome back, an early welcome back from spring break. We have a few more days until we officially start again. We will not officially start till March 18th. So any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help. Bye, everybody.